How to delete FedEx account. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can delete your FedEx account, and here is how to go about it. So, what do you do first? The first step is to open up a web browser, and then in the search box type fedex.com, so that you can visit the website. And then after clicking on FedEx, you will brought to the page where you'll see a number of blog posts displaying FedEx. Just go ahead and select the first one. And then after selecting the first one, you'll be brought to FedEx website. You'll be asked to select your or choose your location. This is because your location will determine if you can create an account or not, or if you can operate certain things or not on FedEx. So once you're on the home page, you can see a number of options by the top part of the screen. The next step is to move to the top right corner, click on the sign up or login option, and then log in into your account. Once you're logged in, your this right up here will change to account instead of sign up or log in. So as you can see that, move to the right side or to the left side, click on the account option there, and then click on my profile. So after clicking on my profile, you will be brought to your profiles page. So your profiles page, by the left side of the screen, you'll see some options here, as you can see. So the next step is to select account management. So after selecting account management, you will be taken to your account management page, where you also see a number of options. Amongst the options displayed, select choose account. Close account, sorry. You would see the option close your account. So click on it, and then you'll be taken to a page where you'll be asked if you're sure. Follow the prompts to confirm the deletion of your account, and then the account would be permanently deleted. So you must take note that by removing the account from your fedex.com profile, you you your account will be deleted but not permanently. But if you want to completely delete the account, you need to contact FedEx customer support. All right, you have to contact the representative for you to be able to remove it completely, such that you will no longer have access to it and nobody would have access to it. So for you to contact the customer support, all you need to do is to go to the top part of the screen, click on the plus icon, and then click on the search box, and then type out FedEx customer service. Then after you type that out, you'll wait for the page to load. Once the page has loaded, you'll be brought to the Google's results page, where you'll see a number of blog. You can just see a number which stands for FedEx customer service number. So you can just call this number, lay your concerns, which is you would like to delete your account, you remove it from your profile, but you've not been able to delete it completely, and you'll be directed on what to do. Or if you want to chat or send an email instead, you can just click on this prompt and you'll be able to do that. So I hope this tutorial has helped you in a way. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.